back to Matt vs. Alex. Today on the challenge, we are going to a property. We have no idea where we're going. The crew's picked it out. They've blindfolded us. They're gonna drive us there, and Matt and I are supposed to guess what it's listed for. The market's pretty crazy right now. Prices are up and down, interest rates are rising, things are changing, and so it's hard for people to apparently know the market unless your name's Alex. And so today we're gonna go there and I'm gonna win this challenge. I'm gonna guess the right price.
No. So here's the deal. Alex is better than me at a lot of things, but this, Alex is not even gonna come close. No offense, buddy, but I'm really good at this and I can't wait to show everybody that I'm gonna win this challenge.
May the best entrepreneur win.
Do this.
You have to tell us where we're at. I mean, if we're in Austin versus Cedar Park versus Jarrell versus Georgetown, all these prices are going to be different.
I know exactly which roads we're going on. We gotta take a left, heading towards the creek. Okay. Wait, no, we're already going towards Austin, Alex.
We're heading towards Cedar Park right now.
Have you guys ever heard the quote, if you're not cheating, you're not trying?
Oh.
I'm rubbing my eyes.
Sure.
Babe.
Do you guys agree with that quote? If you're not cheating, you're not trying?
I already paid Andrew off.
What kind of details do we get?
Nothing.
Alright, we're headed west.
I can tell you one thing about the home we're gonna see.
What?
It's not listed by TRE.
Thanks.
Matt, what are you doing?
I'm good, I'm not cheating. I don't need to cheat in this. I feel bad for Alex. He does not like losing.
I've never lost. I wouldn't even know what losing feels like.
Today's the day, buddy. There's legitimately, no offense, Alex, there is no chance that you beat me in this. Like, really.
Okay.
And we're here.
I already know the price.
No, you don't.
I do. I feel confident enough to say it right now.
So, you're gonna get a notepad. You can take notes while we're walking through.
Don't need notes.
Okay. Matt, would you like to take notes?
Sure.
Okay. You'll need a notepad at the end to reveal.
Your number. Here.
Good morning.
No.
Oh. Denied.
He's already losing today. First loss of the day.
I have to take notes.
Well, you're gonna show your price at the end.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Hey, do you know the average sale price in this neighborhood?
Habit?
Average.
No, I don't. I'm new. I'm
You're
from
new?
India. Yeah.
What'd you buy your house for?
No, my son is there.
What'd he buy it for?
No, I don't know.
You don't
I
know?
have to check with him.
Okay. If you were to guess, what would you say?
Guess what?
Sales price. Average sales price.
Average self-pride. It's really very high.
Very high. All right.
Oh.
I've been here for a month.
Welcome.
nice.
Nice to
Welcome.
meet you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Very high.
No for sale sign.
I got the most important note. I remember my first time using the super key.
Burn. Oh no. Oh no! What happened, dude? All right.
Ladies first.
Let's do this, baby.
Oh. Feels good.
Yeah, man, it feels great. This is nice. Everything's.
The air conditioning doesn't increase the value of the house, so.
That's what he thinks.
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
What is that?
Countertop.
It's high-end. Real nice. Okay, what would lead them to pick this? For sure that it was vacant.
Laundry room?
I told you, I already knew the price of the house before we walked in.
It's relatively new, it's big, it's clean, it's nice. I see there's some woods in the backyard. The reason I'm not talking as much is I don't want Alex to catch on to my clues and know what I'm thinking.
Close. I asked
Oh my gosh. Look at this. This just, okay. Price just went up. This is amazing.
Yeah, my price just went up
A little bit. Just a little. This doesn't have too much value. Red one? All right. Salt makes a big difference. Single pane. Okay, ready when you are, buddy.
I'm ready.
All right, boys.
I feel like we're in Twin Creeks.
I think we're Anderson Mill, maybe Northwest Hills.
All right, big reveal. 3, 2,
79,000.
1.
679.5.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
What
Oh,
do we want to say?
yeah.
1.2.
Oh, no.
He cheated. He cheated for sure.
Dude.
1.2, you're 1K off?
How did you know?
I told y'all, I just know values. When I pulled up, I was thinking that number. But
Okay.
then when I walked inside, I was like, okay. And I mean, look at this thing. Look at how big this lot is. We got trees behind us. And ultimately, just the entrepreneur knows.
The entrepreneur knows.
How does that make you feel, Matt?
Really horrible, actually.
What was your thought process with valuing? Like, why'd you choose the number you chose?
Well, I was thinking we were over by Anderson Mill. And I was thinking this was probably about 2,800, maybe 3,000 square feet. And just most houses over there aren't in the millions, they're in the 7s. Originally I had 879. It would have been a little bit closer, but I'm so far off that I'm just pretty pissed off.
I was originally thinking that number, but then
The bathroom.
Well, it's nice. I mean, the freaking laundry room has a whole set of cabinets. That bathroom and master closet was a game changer. We got a pool back here. It's a brand, it's a new neighborhood. When's this built? 2016? 2013.
Square footage is 3,158.
All right, boys.
Yeah, this is a crazy market. It's
Alex
interesting
wins.
because
Hey,
good game.
Good game.
You win.
We're not worthy. We're not worthy.
all right, so it's also listed for lease. This is Matt's last chance to have some sort of win today. You already got it?
Can't change my answer.
Big difference.
Big winner.
What's it leased for?
5,500.
Put it on the board, baby! Yes!
All right, good job.
Not even close.
Good job.
Wow, you were so far off. Okay, now we have to take the percentage that we were off from the actual, and who was furthest off percentage-wise total. That's the actual winner.
Look at him trying to make up rules as we go along.
3,600.
We did this to make you feel better.
Here's the deal. I do have to admit, Alex won the first challenge. It seems a little suspicious to me, honestly, that he was $1,000 off. I will admit defeat here. You did really good. I'm impressed. The Austin market is tricky. I've said this in the past. I'm not sure anybody truly understands value just because we're at this weird time. We had this major ramp up. Now we're having properties sit on the market a little bit. Interest rates are going up. Inflation's going crazy. So we try to stay on top of it as much as we can. Alex nailed it. This was a fun challenge. Alex versus Matt. We're gonna keep doing these things. If you guys have any thoughts or ideas on what else we could do. I did win the leasing challenge, but I will humbly admit, Alex killed it. Good job, buddy.
Quick question. If I did cheat, wouldn't I know the lease price too?
Well, we threw that challenge in at the end.
But I still know it, right?
No, you didn't. I was actually the one that knew the lease price.
So there's no cheating.
Ty Cobb said, if you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Till next time.
Peace.